Alright, so when you have a cat like Squiddy and Squinty, you have to show them a good time and make sure that they're happy. So each night, I have to dry out the bathtub and put in 2 beach towel blankets, or beach towels for them, laying like this. That's 1. And that's 2 coming up here. And they have to be folded long ways, that way they cover the entire floor of the bathtub, you see. Okay, like that. And then Squiddy really likes his blanket. This is a comforter. He likes this blanket a lot. So the comforter has to go in there. And over here on this side is a space. And for that space, you have to use another beach blanket lined up like a pillow. That way he has a place to put his feet. So when all is said and done, that's what it looks like. Welcome to the world of Squiddy and Squeaky, the most spoiled cats on the planet.